Yan lang. Yan.
Ribbon niya po pwede naman dito.
Bakit nakalupi yung gown mo? Nasaan? Bring it up.
Ribbon nila.
Bring it up. You don't need to ask for approval.
Ribbon ng graduate. Sa left po, left.
Ilapit mo sa kanila. Dito mo.
Anak pa kami hindi na sa labas. Sa baba yung laylayan. Okay, graduates. You may go ahead.
Oh, hindi yung pangalan mo.
Ayun na.
Teacher, I don't know where to let them stay.
Pwede na po mag-floor. Pagtapos na po sila sa floor.
No, is there an allocated?
Yeah po, mayroon pong mga parent ko doon. May label po.
Na.
Oh, mga chikting. Hindi kayo.
Ano ka mga sa kanan? Kahit finger. Dito ka mga. Dito ka sa dulo. Sit down dyan. Makuhin kami here. Kaya muna kay ate. Tapos cellphone ka. Sige. Kaya muna si ate. Come here. Come here. Ate, ano?
Diyan, sitaw ka lang dyan.
I say.
Doon sa harapan.
Loob, hindi naman. Adam. Lalak na. Pila muna kayo, tapos mamaya sabay na tayo lalakad dun, ha?
Anyway, we have our school official photographer who will be taking charge of your photos and pictures during this ceremony. Thank you. graduates, peers, movers will be wearing their complete togas and caps. Will accompany their children for the processional march.
Napicute kita, Mami. Ame!
Radyo tabihan.
Nursery po, nursery.
Papan nyo na mga chikiting nyo.
Matapos na. Ayan na.
Okay, doon ka naman. Kayo ka lang na.
Wala sa may niyo, mahal.
A blessed Friday afternoon to all of you. God has planted greatness in you. Today, we mark an exceptional day in our school year as we celebrate the tireless journey of our learners. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 25th graduation exercises, moving up, and recognition day of Solid Rock Learning School. To begin with, let us witness the processional march of the graduates, completers, movers, awardees, parents, guests, staff, teaching and non-teaching personnel, administrators, school head, and guests. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved teacher, Ms. Lovina C. Capistrana. Thank you for raising the bell.
This is of course a time to rejoice and celebrate for the fruit of our endeavors and our graduations for harvest. The medals, the trophies, and many more.
Satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education in the K-12 Enhancement Basic Education curriculum for the school year 2022 and 2023, composed of 4 boys and 4 girls. This is Consuelo Di Balmadres, the principal and school administrator. I have the honor and the privilege to present to you the candidates for graduation in grade 6 level of Solid Rock Learning School, Las Marinas City, Cavite. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed.
virtue of vested as unmunicipal basic education program. I hereby confirm the preschool completers from nursery, kindergarten, and grade. Move their tassel from right to left.
Yummy.
Once again, congratulations. You may all take your seats.
Sa likod, be. Ihami sa likod mo.
Computers and graduates, please make your way here in front when your name is called. The kindergarten level. Cruz A.Z. Benjamin M. Please be generous for their hard work. They have done a lot for this school year. Please be generous. Applause, please. Manuel Timothy Ford. Navarrete Fiel Hunter C. Please be generous enough to applaud the achievement of this great work. Thank you. Next, Abizar Sophia Teresa R. Antonio Luxury Faye Hamilton. The Viva Princess Amara Ray S. And last but definitely not the least, the Adas Jeriel and M. Collective Parade. Ginter Leon Kyler, G. Balmadres Emerald, G. Camarino Hannah Julian, A. Margot Kirsten Abigail, G. Margot Chiazina Raquisha, G. Mahuan Kirsten Ray, M. Manride Chiharu Yuki. Marcelino Attica Marines, M. Okay, good afternoon again. Dear parents, from the police department down in Houston, Texas. There are about 12 rules for raising delinquent children. Okay. Gusto kong i-impart ito sa inyo. Kasi ang ating generation nowadays ay kakaiba. Okay? There are about 12 rules for raising delinquent children. And here they are printed in the local chamber of commerce publication. Gusto kong i-expound ito. Let's begin with number 1. Take note, 12 rules for raising delinquent children. Gusto kong i-impart ito sa iyo kasi ang ating mga kabataan lumalaki. Okay? Number 1 is, let's begin with infancy. Let's give the child everything he wants. In this way, we'll grow up to believe the word owes him a living. At katungkulan mo na bigyan ako ng anong klaseng uri ng pamumuhay ko. By giving all that you wanted. Kahit na yan, ito ay prohibited. Number 2, when he picks up bad words, laugh at him, ay nakakatuwa. This will make him think he's cute. Mga graduates ng elementary, lalaki kayo, tatanda kayo, mga you will be raising your own family. Ngayon, medyo hindi maganda yung takbo, pero yung maririnig yung to, let this become a lesson to you. Marami sa ating surroundings, mag-observe kayo kung anong klase ang mga bata na hindi ayos na iniraise ng kanilang mga magulang. Papasalamat ako kung mga siyam na batang to nag-graduate. I hope nag-graduate. We will continue. Live yung life na gustong gawin sa inyo ng mga magulang. Okay? Ang mga magulang nato, naghihirap, naghahanap buhay, working like a dog ba? I don't know how to say it. Tama ba mga graduates? Si nanay, si tatay, minsan di makamuwak na, di ba? Pero what do you want to give them in return? Especially mga grade 6. Inyo, hindi nyo sila makakuha sa bahay. Kakandakog ba sa pagtatrabaho? Ano ang igaganti namin sa kanila? Diba? Aral na mabuti. Wala munang wala munang mga boyfriend. Tama ba ako? Wala munang mga extracurricular activities from mga bad influence from outside world. Okay? Number 3, never give them any spiritual training. Wait until he is 21 and then let him decide for himself. Nangyayari ko sa US na, di ba? Pagdating nyo ng 18, 21, go. You may now live on your own. Pero tayong mga Pilipino, very hospitable, very loving, caring parents. Minsan, nag-asawa na, etc. Nasa ating pa nakatira. Diba? Kaya, gawin nyo ang lahat ng makakaya nyo, mga grade 6, yung graduate now, will finish their elementary school right now. Gawin nyo yung makakaya nyo to go to the right way, to go to the right path. Okay? Number 4, avoid the use of the word wrong
nanay niya. Mali yan. Huwag daw. It may develop a guilt complex. Maraming nagsasabi, no. Pwede siguro, anak, siguro, pag lumaki-laki ka na,
Bigyan mo ate.
pag alam mo nang i-manage yung sarili mo. Huwag muna ngayon.
Bigyan mo ate. Ay, mamaya.
Pero pag sinabing lahat, no. Ng mga oldies, it may develop a guilt complex. This will condition him to believe later, when he is arrested for stealing a car, that society is against him and he is being persecuted. Yung pala yun. Okay? I myself, na-educate ako, meron pa akong maliit na emerald. So, na-educate ako, yung malalaki ng mga chikiting ko, parang iba kayo, generation na ako. Sometimes, we need to change yung klase, yung uri ng ating pag-bring up sa kanila. Number 5, na no, na bringing up yung 12 rules for raising delinquent children. Pick up everything he leaves, lying around like the books, the shoes, the clothes. Do everything for him so that he will be experience niya. Throwing all responsibility to others. Huwag na silang mag-iipit ng higaan nila. Yung books nila, dyan na lang. Yes. Alam niyo kung ano ang dapat niyong itulong sa mga parents niyo. Okay? Keep all the best. Yun lang na itutulong niyo. Yung mga parents na nagpapakahirap maghanap buhay. Yung mga shoes, yung mga clothes na natapos na pang-araw-araw gagamitin, ilalagay na lang sa isang tabi. Pang-hamper tayo, di ba? So, don't pick up, sabing ganon, everything he lives. Lying around doon sa room.
Okay, enough na yan.
Baka yung sala, mabunda. Ang mami at daddy ang naglilibet. With this in mind, okay? Mamaya, lahat na lang ng responsibility. Ay gawa na ni mami at sa kanila. Hindi mo na kapit kung ano ang sabihin ng responsibility. Next, number 6. Let him read any printed matters. He can get this
Sasama mo ba sa sarili mo?
on the gadgets that they own. Sabi dito, be careful that the silverware and drinking glasses are sterilized. Parang ano? Ini-sterilize natin yung mga iniinuman nila, etc. Pero we don't worry about his mind resting on garbage. Diba? Where can we get this garbage? I mean, yung mga garbages na yan, makukuha natin yan. Yung overuse of the gadgets. Yung mga printed materials naman, pwede nang pag may sobrang baon, pwede bumili ng mga magazine. Hindi na natin masusubaybayan yun. Pwede rin coming from the gadgets, pag iniwan na sila sa bahay. Minsan nakakakita na sila ng porno. Sabi ng AIDS.
Maluwang.
Nag-iisip ako. baka nangyayari na. So, watch out, parents. Yung hindi na monitor ang mga gadgets na yan. Oo nga, yung mga drinking glasses nila, i-sterilize natin. Ganun tayo ka-extra care. Diba? Pero yung pwede nilang makuha ng mga maruming bagay from building materials, from overuse of the gadgets. Wow! Especially, hindi lang itong mga millennials na to. I could name some. Grabe. From my personal observation, ang lilit pa. Talagang may mga sarili-sarili na cellphone. Watch out, parents. We can do this, we can give them unless na monitor natin. At saka, all this. Naaano natin. Na-i-screen natin. Okay? So, what is going on inside our bedroom? Next one is number 7. Quarrel frequently in the presence of your children. In this way, they will not be too shocked when the home is broken up later. Iwasan po natin yun. This will lead to a disaster later on. Let's go to number 8. Give the child all the spending money he wants. Oh, ito pera mo. Okay na. Ito bawal mo. Hindi natin alam. Later on, pupunta sila ng grade 7, go to high school. Hanggang doon, monitor ko natin sila. Doon na minsan nakukuha yung maagang pag-smoke. Kasi hindi natin nasusunod ko yan. Number 9, satisfy his every craving for food, drink, and comfort. See that every sensual desire is gratified. Denial may lead to harmful frustration. So, dito na po ito expound. Kaya ko po bringing up ito. Ang ating mga magulang nowadays ay busy, working. Tignan nyo, you mark my word, someday, somehow, aalis kayo sa four corners ng wall. Yung disiplina, napakahalaga. Yung pag-i-impose ng restriction. Natutuwa ako, maraming mga bata. Na-observe ko, kung box na ito, mababayit. Tama ba ako? Mababayit, ha? Sa loob ng classroom. Sa bahay kaya, mga nanay, mga tatay, sabihan niyo ako, baka sakaling makatulong ako. Okay? Hindi ko ma-observe ang buong panahon nila. Pero dito, I could guarantee, mabait sila. Sana panindigan nyo yun, ha? Grade 6, panindigan nyo yung sinabi ko, ha? During your stay with Solid Rock Learning School, talaga. Mababait kayo. Siguro, kung ang mga preschool na to eh medyo makukulit, eh siguro dahil gawa lang ng hindi normal kasi pag hindi makulit. Kaya napakalaki ng aking pasensya ng mga batang to. Kaya lang, yung mga batang yan, you need to continue nurturing them. Kailangan magkaroon ng continuity yung ating pagpapalaki sa kanila. Okay? Kung mga malalaking to, ang mga grade 6 na to, panindigan nyo yung sinabi ni Ma'am Connie, ha? Kasi yan ang observation ko sa inyo. Okay? Tia, Abigail, Hannah, Emerald, Lian, isa ko kayo, Ray, Yuki, Anika, and you know, at the back of my mind, Dominic, di ba, hindi pa ako, wala pa akong listen yung moment na ako. Okay? So, naiintindihan nyo. Naiintindihan nyo, sinabi mo ang Connie. Mabait kayo. Okay? Mami, pag hindi mababait, sabihan nyo ako, can you give me a call? Give me a ring. Okay? Hindi ganyo yan. During this, what day is today? July 14. Ang sabi ko sa inyo, mababait kayo. Hindi ganyo yan, okay? Dito kayo lumaki. Nung mga nursery kindergarten kayo, Dominic, si Tia, si Ana, si Anika, si Yuki, si Ray. Sinusubukan ko yung mga yan. Especially Teacher May. Very obedient. Sa bahay, hindi na kumakain ng gulay. Pero itatawag kay Ma'am Connie kahit holiday. Ma'am Connie, ayaw kumain. So far, yun lang naman ang nakikita kong medyo hindi nag-obey. Okay? Ma'am Connie, hindi kumakain ng ayos. Ma'am Connie, yung cellphone, yung cellphone, Ma'am Connie, ilang oras lang ginagamit Okay? Huwag kay Ma'am Connie magkaroon ng fear. Fear God and your parent. Okay? So, naiintindihan nyo? Sabi ko, mabait nyo, except for some little nothings. Huwag nyo lang dadamihan yung gamit nyo sa cellphone. Mabait na kayo sa akin, no? Okay? Lagyan nyo ng oras sa lahat ng bagay. Lagyan nyo ng oras ang mga hindi magandang pangyayari na pwede nyo gawin. Okay? Naiintindihan ba natin? Very particular ako doon. Nakita nyo kung paano nag-impose ng restriction si Ma'am Connie? Hindi pa masyado sa mga elements ng mga preschool. Pero we were so blessed parents. Mababait yung mga anak na yan. They are God-fearing children of yours. Okay? Alam nila paano mag-pray before. Pray ba kayo sa house? Before your meal time? Yes. Kasi introduce namin yun. Simula maliit kayo. Pero yung pinipray nila simula nung umpisa, hindi kayo ano ba? Justice food. For the nourishment of our physical body. Hindi na nabago! Mabuhi, expound ng konti. Kausapin nyo ang our Lord Almighty. Okay? Problema kayo, hindi nyo. Hindi nyo sa mami, may bad influence from outside. Ang mami, ang daddy, ang unang makakaalam kung ano problema nyo. Huwag nyo sasabihin yan sa mga kaibigan nyo. They might give you a bad advice. Dito, minsan may nagkikwento, kasi para lang nila akong nanay. Mang Connie, ganito, ganyan eh. Anak ko sasabihin yan sa iba, si Mang Connie na lang ha. Okay? Good job. Yes. Kay mami sasabihin, kay daddy sasabihin, kay lola, kay lolo. Okay? Yeah. Good. Huwag sasabihin sa iba. Huwag magtatago ng sikreto. Okay? Ang best friend nyo, si mami at saka si daddy. Sila ang best friend nyo. Nakakaintindihan tayo? Para hindi magkaroon ng experience, you might experience ang toward incident from outside yung bad influence. Dito po na-abort ko yun eh. Yung GC ba, na ang bait ni Lord talaga eh. May GC, tignan nyo ha, bakit nalaman ko yun?
Masama
Hindi
yan.
ganun eh. Pero dahil nanungbila kayo sa GC nyo ng foreign, sabi ko, foreign object. Kasi bad influence eh. Ang bihira, nagmumura. Hindi marunong magmura eh. Natuto. O di ba mabait nyo? Kasi nangungbila ng outside friend. Kayo na lang. Okay, bakit na-discovery naman ko ni? Nang away tuloy ako ng pinalabas. Di ba? You see? So, hindi nyo alam yung the word na bad words na tututo kayo. Learn from your experiences. Okay? So, magandang na now. Number 10. Let's go to number 10. Take this part against neighbor. Teachers. Policemen. Pinega, they are all prejudiced against your child. Sino nakakaalala kay Jason Adler? Diba? Nangungunsinte, kinunsinti si anak, diba? Nakakalakihan na yun. Anak siya, pamangkin siya ni Freddy Aguilar. O, paalala ko sa inyo yun ha. Sobrang konsentidor. Pag inaway ni friend, hindi mo na i-root out yung pinagmulan ng away. Aawayin na sa neighbor. Aawayin na si pinagmumulan ng pagmumulan. Okay? Nangukonsinte. Yun ang tamang word. Nangukonsinte. Okay? Alamin muna, ano ang tunay na pangyayari, anak? Sabihin mo sa akin ang totoo. O, siyempre, magsisinungaling yan. Pero pag nasanay na, anak, sabi ka ng totoo. Huwag mo huwag kang mag-deny. Masusunod natin ang problema. Nagsasabi na si anak. Si anak ay nagsabi ng totoo at yun pala ang fault niya. This is the time. Ipin down mo siya. Wala, hindi ayos yun ha, kasi magkakagulo ang sambayan. napakasimple lang po nung mga words of wisdom na yon. Pero nangyayari po ito sa totoong buhay. Okay? Number 11, when he gets into real trouble, apologize to yourself by saying, I never could do anything with him. Huwag susukot. Yun ang mas tutukan nyo. When he gets into a real trouble. So, yung last, prepare yourself for a life of grief. Pag tinalaw natin yung 12 steps on how to raise your child, you will surely have a life of grief. Okay? So, yung ating kong mga pangyayari sa buhay ng ating mga anak nato. Napakadaling i-manage. Meron lang po tayong oras para sa kanila. Maglagay lang po tayo ng tamang oras. Kahit gano'n tayo busy. Sobrang busy.
Find them.
Maglagay po tayo, allocate tayo ng tamang oras para sa kanila.
Uy na.
Bye.
Siya mo si Makoy na.
Okay.
Ating pong
Hold this.
emphasize lagi natin nakikita sa baba, taken from the Bible. It says here, Proverbs 6, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Okay. Marami pa pong mga verses na pwede natin i-connect dyan, like sa part ng mga parents, Ephesians 6:4, it says here, and you fathers,
No more na.
provoke not your children to wrath, but bring them up in nurturing and admonition from the Lord.
Sit lang. Sit. Umuwi na. Ayan.
Sabi pa ng Proverbs 29:58, the rod and reproof give wisdom,
Ito ang
but
ano
a
natin.
child
Sit
left
lang.
to himself bringeth his mother to shame. Para sa mga bata, ating mga estudyante, from Colossians 3:20, children, obey your parents in all things, for this is well pleasing unto the Lord. So, here I will end my message. Kids, tandaan nyo, children, ang mga pangaral na ito, hindi nyo basta maririnig sa bahay nyo. Pero I would stick, please, lalaki kayo, tatanda kayo, you will be putting up, establishing your own family in the future, especially sa mga graduates. Take it from Uncle. Okay? Lahat ng ito sinabi ko para katulungin ang mga mami nyo. Obey your parents in the Lord for in His life. Thank you. sa lahat ng mga nandito sa ngayon, ng mga parents, ang mga parents ng achievers. I hope you heard very important message from our all. Salamat po.
Mamaya na sasayaw na kayo.
Educational Foundation encourages us to always see the beauty in every trial and adversity. A symbol of resilience, agency, and grit of Filipino learners, hold by a solid basic education system that is responsive
McQueen.
to the changing needs of
Hindi na kita
time.
inasama kung ganyan.
It further highlights that every learner's achievement mirrors
No more na.
an education that succeeds amid all difficulties. Acknowledge differences. Remember that through diversity there is unity. In the 21st century, differentiated instruction is encouraged to cater the needs of diverse learners with different learning styles. Not a one-size-fits-all curriculum, but by having effective teaching skills and teaching styles together, we can achieve one common goal to render quality education for all. We've learned with you, man. Thank you. It's a remarkable day, or should I say, a beautiful day. Right, kids? Yes. The kids are so excited to present their special number this afternoon. Help me welcome them, our amazing and active kids from the preschool department. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the nursery and kindergarten kids. Once again, our kindergarten and nursery kids.
Hami. Hami.
and promise knowledge and understanding. You're so cute.
Ami. Dito ka lang sa dito ka. Jesus said, whatever is for in prayer, believe and you will receive. Verse 105, your word is a lamp to my feet and a light for my path. Proverbs 12, verse 22. The Lord detests tyrants, but he delights in people who are trustworthy. Oh, sige. Kaya kami mo si ate.
Bumulong ako sa grade 6 eh. Kayo din.
Hindi ko baby na.
O, diba? Galing mo sa meron versus sa mga chikiting. Thank you, kids. In approaching the stage, may I request the parents to please accompany your children as their names are called during the awarding ceremony. Once again, may I request the parents and the guardians to accompany your children on stage as we call their names. Be vocal with honors. gathering
Sa?
pray and pray that we do.
Ang ganda naman. Zombie ka ba?
Thank you, Hannah and Ray.
Zombie ka ba?
Today is the best time to share voice and song entitled We Want Fun. Let's give them a big hand.
Dito lang mahal.
Oo, ganito.
Oh, wait lang ha.
Bigay mo sa akin? Mami?
Oh, sit down ka lang. Basta behave ka. Sit down kay mami. Kay mami ka sit down.
Ay,
Turn up the volume, we can't hear. Never thought we'd be standing here. We're searching all together, strung together side by side. Though we never make it, we cry. We messed up, fought our way back, now we're stronger. You died our way, taught us to take, risking everything we made. You made us stay, and now we're brave,
Mami!
Once again, the Frisco Kids.
Basauli na natin to kay teacher, ha? Inilam lang natin to.
Thank you. At sa
Bakit sa
mundo
ulo may medal?
mabuhay ang ating mga parents at ang ating mga guro.
Sabi daw, bear with
Pagpapalin natin sila.
Class tayo ng grades.
Gusto ko to.
Hindi to, parents to. Parents.
At this juncture, please settle down
Completer.
and find your seats because we're not done yet.
Oh, hindi pa daw tapos ito.
We'll be watching a short video
Ano na daw mo? Ano may ano yung tablet? Papamit sa
and the
bahay. Dali
humble
na.
beginnings of Solid Rock Learning School. How